Hey everyone, it's Kevin with AlarmSystemReport.com, and today we're going to share our rankings for the best do-it-yourself alarm systems out there. Before we get started, please be sure to check out all of our alarm system rankings and full company reviews by clicking the links in the description below. So let's get started. First, it's important to understand how we do our rankings. We've contracted several alarm system experts that have independently submitted their rating on each alarm system company. We look at several characteristics of each company and give them a rating on a scale of 1 to 5. These are the characteristics we look at, but we also look at things like Yelp, the Better Business Bureau, and Angie's List for reviews, ratings, and customer feedback. There are a ton of alarm systems out there, but we're primarily focused on the ones that you should be seriously considering and that have at least 3.5 stars according to our rating. So, here's our list of the best do-it-yourself alarm systems. In first place, we have FrontPoint Security. FrontPoint dominated most of our categories with their wireless and cellular alarm systems. They have the best customer service, great equipment, and really stand out as the clear choice amongst our alarm system experts. In a close second, we have Protect America. Protect America ranked well and competes with FrontPoint Security in most areas. Their alarm systems were also a favorite amongst the experts we hired and are a leader in the wireless alarm industry. Next, we have LifeShield in third place. LifeShield has no contracts and has an affordable monthly fee. It's easy to set up, but they have proprietary equipment. The proprietary equipment prevents you from using another service provider, so that's our biggest issue with LifeShield. SafeMart comes in fourth. SafeMart boasts great customer service ratings and GE alarm equipment. The company trades higher upfront costs for lower monthly fees. Depending on your budget, SafeMart could be a solid option, but you can get lower upfront costs with negligible differences in monthly cost. So that's it, the top 4 do-it-yourself alarm systems to look into when it comes to securing your home. Be sure to click the links below to read our full reviews at AlarmSystemReport.com and check out our video reviews for each company on our YouTube channel. Cheers.